Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some apple fritters. What I have here is a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar to it, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Also along with the baking powder was a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put that aside. I chopped up 2 Granny Smith apples. I had 2 good sized big ones. Chopped them, diced them, you know, kind of medium, not too big, not too small. Here's the liquid part. I've got a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to add an egg to that. One tablespoon of melted butter. Got 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice I'm going to put over the apples. Okay, so we're going to take our dry ingredients and add our wet ingredients to them. And you're going to add our apples to the batter. Okay, these are ready to fry. Okay, now we're going to make a glaze for our fritters. I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar here, and you just start adding a little bit of water. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Add more sugar to it, mix it. It's going to need a little more water. Okay. Okay, so there they are. I already tasted one from the first plate that I finished, and they are delicious. Super, super good. You're gonna love this recipe. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.